What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Android Emulator on your desktop PC. But before we do that, you have to make sure your virtualization is enabled in BIOS. So to boot into the BIOS, what we need to do, we need to shut down our system. Right click on Start and click on Shut Down. Once your computer shut down, we need to power back up and we need to keep pressing on F2. Some systems it could be F1 or escape button. On mine is just F2. And once we boot into the BIOS, most likely your system is going to look something else, but you'll have to look for something like virtualization support. Expand that. Make sure virtualization is enabled right here, check mark, and then VT for direct IO is enabled as well. And if it's not, enable it and then apply, and then you can exit and restart your computer. Once you verify that virtualization is turned on or you turn it on, so here is what we need to do. We need to download a couple programs. So open your internet browser, and in here first we need to download 7-zip because we'll have to extract a couple files. And I will download 64-bit version, and then right here just click on save. Once download is complete, you have to open folder or go to your downloads, and then in your downloads you will see 7-zip. Just double click on it, and then right here click yes, and then just click on install. Once the installation is complete, click on close. You can minimize this screen. Then we'll go to this website right here, and every software that I'm going to be using for this video tutorial, I will put all of the links in the description below. Now we have to go to the GitHub and we have to download this software right here. So since I'm doing on Windows, I'm just going to download Windows version, and right here I'm going to click on save, and then same thing, I'm going to go back, either open folder or go back into your downloads, right click on it, and then extract to. Once the extract is complete, double click on it, and then click on Intel Hacks Android, and then click yes here. And then just go through the installation process, click on install, and then click on finish here. So now we need to download Android Studio Preview. You'll go to this website, and then you'll click on download 4.1 beta 2. And right here, accept terms and conditions, and then click on download Android Studio, and right here click on save. Once the download is complete, click on open folder or go back to your download folder, and in here right click on Android Studio and then click on 7-zip and extract to. Once this is complete, double click on Android Studio folder one more time, and then double click on bin, and in here we need to scroll down and we need to double click on Studio 64, and then right here do not import settings, and then click OK. And for right now I'm just going to click on don't send data to Google, and in here we need to click on next, and then I'm going to leave at standard, and right here you can choose either light theme or dark. I'm going to leave it as light for right now, and then click on next. And in here, we just have to click on finish. And in here at this pop-up, just click yes. And then click finish here. And in here, we need to click on configure, and we have to click on AVD manager. And then we need to click on create virtual device. And in here, we need to choose device that we would like to emulate. And I'm just going to choose Pixel 4 XL. And then I'm going to click next. And now we need to click on download. So I'm going to download the Q version. This is going to be, I think, Android 10. And then right here, click accept and then click next. Once the installation is complete, click on finish. And then right here, click next. And right here, there is two options, either portrait mode or landscape. I'm going to leave it at the portrait. And then I'm going to click on finish. And right here, we need to choose our device. I'm just going to choose the top one, the Pixel 3. And then you need to click on this little play button. And it's going to launch the emulator. And now you can see that your Android emulator started. So what we can do, we can slide it to the top. We can double click on settings. And right here, we can scroll down and we can double click on about emulated device. And right here, you can see that this is Android version 11. Actually, somehow it did install 2 versions. And that's it. I was able to get Android running on my PC computer. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.